Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to create password to our mobile cell. So we will get started. So for that, we will go to settings, click on lock screen and password. Then we will choose set screen lock. Here we have three options: pattern, pin, and password. First, we will see pattern. So we will click on pattern. Here it will show like this. Remember your lock screen password are like that. And we want to click on after 2 seconds we want to click on got it. If you click on got it, it will ask pattern. Your pattern I sure wish we want to uh, put that one. Then we want to confirm that one. After to that we want to click on confirm. So it will, if you want to open your mobile, we want to type on pattern. So next we will see pin. So for that again same process, we will go to lock screen and password, and there we have set screen lock. We will go to that. Here it will ask confirm your pattern. We want to type that one. Then we want to click on change screen lock. Here we want to enter 6-digit pin. So I will enter my 6-digit pin. Then I will click confirm on my pin. So I will type same password, same pin. Then same process. If we want to open, we want to type that pin. Now we will see password. So for password also we want to confirm our old pin. If you want to type, if you type only, it will open. Then we want to change, click on change screen lock. After change screen lock, it will ask same old password. Then after it will ask choose your password. Here we want to type our password. Again we want to confirm our password. Then we want to click ok. So for now it changed from pin to password. If you want to open, we want to type password. Next we want to see how to remove. So for that also same process. Here it will we have option turn off lock. If you click on turn off lock, automatically it will erase that password. Then we will see how to create app lock. So we want to go to app lock, and there we have to go to see, we want to go to settings. Here app lock enabled, so we want to disable. So if we show, if now we don't have any app password, again it will ask pattern. We want to type that one. We want to put that one. Again we want to confirm. Next we want to click not now. Here we want to click not now. Again we want to app lock enable. We want to enable app lock, and we want to go to change password. There we want to click on our password. Then we want to click confirm password. Now see, it will show like this. And then we want to enable I disabled all apps. Now I want to enable all apps for app locking. So I am enabling all apps. Okay, now we will check whether it will work or not. So for that I will go any app. So I went Gmail app. Here it will ask password. Again we will go to one more app, downloads app. Here also it will ask here also it will ask password. Then only it will open, otherwise it will not open. Okay, this is the process of app lock and screen lock password. Okay guys, if you like this video, share the hit the like button, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel to get latest updates.